Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, you guys, we're going to replace these lights with the Parts Am tail lights too. Now, it says on the box and on the description that these are 15-inch. Now, if you measure these, now this is 15-inch too, but these are 15-inch from end to end, and these are 14 center to center. Now, these are not. These are 15 and a half from end to end. And there you have it right there. Okay. And center to center is about 14 and a half. So I've got to drill new holes into here and replace this with the wires and all that kind of stuff. So she's going to be good. All right, let's get her done. Okay, so there's my wires. Now, this thing has, now these don't have that, let's call it spacer. And so that's got to fit in that hole. So that's how I got to measure it and then drill the new holes after. So I'm going to cut these wires, see where that's going to sit, and go from there. Okay, so you see that this is not black. It's brown, green, and white. So um, I would say that red here is your ground, black to brown, white to white, and I'm hoping that's going to work. Okay, I'm going to hook these wires up first, and then I'm going to shove them in and find out where I got to drill the holes. Now I always use shrink tape. Okay, so just just for moisture and everything like that. All right, works. So yeah, put your shrink tape on now and get it on there. Put it in the hole. Re-drill the holes. Let's get her done. All right, I got my wires shoved in. I've got pilot holes done, and now we're going to screw it in. All right, I've got the Robertson screw with the self-tapping screw on the end, so we're gonna get this done and get her in here, just like that. There it is. Awesome. Work good. Look good. They're sealed all the way around real nice. There we go. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.